Today, I'll guide you step by step through unboxing and assembling the JANSNO X70 moped style e-bike. The process is simple, and in just around 20 minutes, you'll have this stylish bike ready to hit the road. Let's get started. Start by taking the accessory box and setting it aside. If you're assembling the JANSNO X70 by yourself, the simplest way to remove it from the box is to gently slide it out like this. After you've unpacked everything, begin by removing the front wheel. Cut the zip ties holding it in place and set the wheel aside for now. Inside the accessory box, you'll find the user manual, turn signal lights, a portable hand pump, a lock, aluminum pedals, 2 battery chargers, a mobile holder, various tools, and the plastic headlight. Start by removing the stem cap using the 4mm hex key. Carefully position the handlebar, making sure the cables stay untwisted. Once aligned, reattach the stem cap and loosely tighten the 4 screws. We'll fine-tune the handlebar position later. Now, let's install the front wheel. Start by removing the temporary axle and separating it from the wheel. Prepare the axle and insert it into the front hub, keeping the washer sequence as shown. Flip the bicycle over and carefully slide the wheel into place, ensuring the brake rotor is properly aligned. Attach the external washers, making sure the locking pin is inserted into the fork hole. Secure the bolts and tighten them firmly using 2 15mm wrenches. Spin the wheel to check for smooth, free movement. If there's resistance or noise, the brakes may need adjustment. Loosen the 2 screws as shown. Align the brake caliper and confirm the wheel spins freely before tightening the screws fully. Use a 10mm wrench and a 5mm hex key to remove the screw. Slide the front fender into position and tighten the screw firmly, ensuring the fender stays aligned. To install the headlight and turn signals, position the Don't forget to connect the headlight cable marked with yellow plugs. Ensure the mounting arms are securely tightened. It's pedal time. The pedal marked L goes on the left side. Screw it in by hand counterclockwise, then tighten it with a 15mm wrench. Do the same for the right pedal, but screw it in clockwise. Get on the bike and adjust the handlebar to your preferred riding position, then tighten the screws securely. Don't forget to attach the stem top rubber cap. Inflate the tires and check that all bolts and screws are properly tightened, ensuring everything is functioning smoothly. With everything set, you're ready to hit the road and enjoy your brand new JANSNO X70. Thanks for watching and happy riding!